Hey, what is going on, YouTube family? We are back with another COTPS update. It is currently May 23rd it is 5 a.m. Central Time. And if you've logged into the COTPS platform this morning, or if you log in now, you will see that there is this message that's here on the screen. Now, a couple days ago, they did put up a message, and I put a video to. I did a video of that the other day, and they said that on the 22nd, things were going to be resolved with the SMS issues. Now, if you aren't aware, which I'm sure if you're watching this video, you probably are aware, but they have been having. They've claimed to have SMS issues, which is why no one has been able to withdraw any funds from the COTPS platform. Now, today is the 23rd, and as you see here, as soon as you log into the COTPS platform, this is the notification that they give. It says, important notice. At 23:05 US time on May 22nd, we were attacked by an illegal network and received a ransom email from an unknown hacker. The attack resulted in the loss of user data, and the platform is no longer functioning properly. We immediately commissioned a major network security provider to thoroughly analyze the problems caused by this attack, and data recovery work has already begun. Recovery is expected to take 3 to 5 weeks. We are very sorry for this. So there we have it, guys. What a lot of people predicted. I tried to stay pretty optimistic if you saw some of my other videos, but from the looks of it, this is it for the COTPS platform. I haven't refreshed this yet, so let's refresh, because I know when I looked at it on my phone, the wallet was completely empty. See, now the site is not even loading. Yep, this is it, guys. This looks like this is the end of it. The same thing, something similar happened with Swapnex, as you guys know, and then a couple days later, same thing happening with the COTPS platform. It looks like they are indeed pulling a rug pulled, and that's pretty much it for the platform. Yep, as you can see, all the assets, everything in the wallet is completely empty. So there was about $10,000 in here as of yesterday. And right now, nothing. Doesn't even show any of the data regarding profits. So it's pretty unfortunate. I know a lot of people put money in testing out this platform. But, that looks like this is the end of it. So I know a lot of people have lost thousands and thousands of dollars. My initial investment was about $6,800 that is now lost. So I know that a lot of people were really banking on this. And if you did lose money in this project, I am sorry. It's terrible. Trust me, I know the feeling. $6,800 of my money is gone from this project. But thankfully, I did not recruit anyone into my downline. This was something I was just testing out for experimental educational purposes. So I wasn't doing any recruiting. No one was in my downline at all. But I was just documenting this process, and this is really how it ended. And I'm sure, like I said, many of you have probably lost a lot of money. You were banking on this. And one thing to keep in mind when you are putting your money into any type of investment, especially high risk investments like this, things like this are a risk, right? And this was one of the known risks that when I first put money into COTPS, I knew that it was a possibility, right? And so you want to just be careful with how much you are investing into really any type of investment, and don't put any money into an investment or a project that you are not okay with losing. So I know a lot of people are hurting right now. A lot of people are stressed out, but just keep your head up. And I know that you'll come out on top after this. It's definitely a learning lesson for all. And if there's any new information, I will definitely keep you guys updated. The message did say 2 to 3 weeks, but obviously I think that this is really just a cover story. So it doesn't look too bad, right? So it's pretty much a rug pull. But like I said, If there are any other updates, I will be sure to make a video for you guys. Like I said, this is the end of COTPS. This is not clickbait. This is the end. There's no data in my platform, and I'm pretty sure everyone got the same message and is having that same error. Yeah, well, it's a very unfortunate ending to this, but if you guys are here watching this video, definitely hit that subscribe button. My channel is all about making money online, entrepreneurship, and really keeping you guys updated and informed. So go ahead and tap in with me. This is the end of COTPS, but that does not mean it is the end of other opportunities and just learning different ways of how to make money online. So that's what we're here for. So that is going to be the end of today's video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Go ahead and put any comments, questions, concerns down below in the comment section. Let me know what you guys think about this. Is this what you anticipated was going to happen? Is this a complete shocker to you? Let's talk about it down in the comment section. And again, thanks for tuning in. This is Sierra Nicole, your favorite stay-at-home millionaire, and I'm going to catch you guys on the next video.